What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
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 Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus
Harry Potter!
Snape,
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! That's me!
Snape,
Harry!
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 Dumbledore!
Hermione!
Snape,
Harry
Hermione.
Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
singing our song all day long at
Hogwarts! I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb! Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Everybody get up, sing it. 1, 2, 3, 5 will make you get down now. Bring it on down. Everybody get up, sing it. 1, 2, 3, 5 will make you get down now. You got to keep it real, you got to keep it raw. I'm lyrically black, so don't try to ignore. Time for some action, creeping up your back and keep the beat nasty like. What's the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery. I see you, Scooby-Doo. We're trailing after you. What's the Scooby-Doo? What's the Scooby-Doo? We're gonna follow you. You're gonna solve that mystery. We see you, Scooby-Doo. We're coming after you. What's the Scooby-Doo? Don't look back. You may find another clue. The Scooby Snacks will be waiting here for you. What's the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. You're gonna solve